Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have this hair here from CHANTICHE from this company here. I don't know how to call that. Okay, so CHANTICHE or CHANTICHE lace wig, and it came in this box here. This hair came full package. I love the construction of this wig. It is really amazing. The density is really good and it's full. It's black, natural color black, and yeah, I like the way they customize the rubber band that is inside. You can adjust it, you can release it, you can remove it if you don't want to wear it, and there are combs inside the there are also combs inside that can secure the back. And this is a 360 lace wig, guys. But I just wanted to just wear it as a front lace today. Maybe some other time I'm going to show how to install the 360 lace, but for today I went and did only the frontal. I didn't want baby hairs today. I just wanted all the hair to just be away from my face, and I'm really liking the result. It's really nice, beautiful hair, soft, good quality, no shedding at all, no tangle. It's just amazing and I really like it. So I'm going to put every information about this hair down in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. I'll put the length there. I can't remember right now what the length is, but if I remember I'm going to put it down or write it down out here. So yeah, make sure that you check the link and just check this affordable wig and make you look popping and making you look really slayed. You know what I mean? If you are a beginner and you want to wear a wig, don't be afraid. Just take your time, sit down, breathe down, and just follow some of the steps that I'm going to show in this video, and I can assure you that you will do very well. So this is just simple 101 here and there information on how to install your lace front. So if you're watching me for the very first time and you're not subscribed to my channel, there's a subscription button down below, and after that you can click the bell button so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first to know. For those who have been watching me for a very long time, I really want to thank you so much for your support. You guys are the best, and there are new people here on this channel every day. I see new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. So let us get into the video right now. Bye. Okay, so now the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and remove the three combs that on the lace in the front, because I wouldn't want to use that. The rubber band that is fixed at the back is enough and it's good enough, because when I adjusted it, it fitted my hair perfectly well. So if you're doing this, be careful so that I don't rip your lace. And so I went ahead and removed the two already. Then I also removed the one in the middle later on. So now I'm placing the wig on my mannequin hair. This mannequin hair I bought it on Amazon. I'm going to put the link down in the description box. It's a size 22 mannequin head, and I really love it when it comes to helping you to hold down your wig so that you can work on it a little. Like I mentioned before, this wig is really already really nice, already customized. Like the edges are really nice, but it can never be enough for us because we don't all have the same hairline. So I just might as well just work a little bit on it in the front. So this is what the back looks like. It's a 360 lace wig, 18 inches, bleach knots, perfect, nice deep pattern, nice soft texture. So this is what the front looks like. So I know the kind of hairline that I have, so I'm going to go ahead and just randomly pick a little bit of hair, just to give me my own kind of hairline, if you know what I mean. So that's what I'm just gonna do. Just go ahead and just randomly pick on the hairline, and as I'm doing that, I'm spraying in a little bit of water, and this will help you, to understand what you're doing more, because if you pluck your hair when it's dry, you might end up making loads and loads of mistakes. I've done that in the past. You kind of over pluck it because it's dry, but when it's wet, it will give you the visibility. You kind of see what you are doing more. So yeah, so this is what the lace looks like. I really like the lace on this wig. If your lace comes very strong, like very strong, it will be difficult for it to be laid flat. But when your lace is soft, it's a plus, for you. It's not only looking at the quality of the hair, you also look at the quality of the lace. And I can assure you that this lace is really nice, and I love the density of this wig. Is nice and simple, not over full, it's just natural looking. And so I went ahead and just combed it with my hot comb, and I'm going for that part there. And sometimes when I make my part on the mannequin head and I put it on my head, I might change my part. I might not like it, but so I just did that part there. I didn't want to do like a center part. I just did like a slant side part. So now I'm going to try the hair on now to see how it fits. So because I've adjusted the rubber band, I can see the fitting is nice. I just like the hairline, is so nice and perfect, but I didn't like the wig cap I was wearing inside. I think it was too bright and I wasn't ready to paint my foundation on it, so I just got rid of it, and I went back and wore this wig again on my own hair like that. So I adjusted it again and I look at the part, not so bad, it kind of look even more natural. So I'm going to use this like it's a gel, what do they call it? I'm going to put where I bought it down in the description box. I bought it on Amazon, I think. So I just kind of, it makes you keep away all the flyaways, because I'm about to apply this hair, so I want to remove all flyaways from the lace so that I don't cut them off. This is a very important step to do. And another thing to check is to check the length of the is it length? Okay, you have to check how much the lace is passing over your ear. If it's not so much, then you go ahead and just cut off the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace now, and I'm going to cut off the front lace on camera, and I'm going to cut off the back of the lace off camera. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like without the lace on the front. And so far, if you are doing this, just relax, don't panic, you can do this. A lot of time that I made mistakes in the past is because I was panicking, like I'm not gonna do this well. And though those times, the kind of lace that we see on our wigs are a little bit harsh, but now the hair companies have stepped up their game now. They bleach the knots for you now. Like before, I'll go ahead and bleach my knot or kind of paint my foundation on it, but I didn't do all that in this particular wig. And make sure, guys, you check this wig. This wig is very affordable. It's very affordable. The link is down there as you are watching, or when you finish watching, just click on it to check how much this wig is. It's really nice. This is 18 inches, so just check 18 inches, or if you want to go an inch or two higher, you can also check, and you see the amount on the website. So now I've placed the hair. I used got2b gel, and so I gently rub a little bit in the front and on this. I do the side last because the side tends to be more serious, like all I say, like the side is more it's harder to apply, so you have to take your time and just do it gently. And I was using something to fan it. If you can just go and on your hand dryer fine, but I didn't have time to go and on my hand dryer, so I just used that. And you can see my hairline looks so natural. The lace just melted into my own skin, seriously. So I'm going to use this old hose pants leg that I don't use anymore, so I'm going to tie it down. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just randomly put some coils, nothing serious, no serious coils, just something to just define the hair a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. And I'm using this my very old coiler. Can't remember where I got this from, but I'm even tired of it, honestly, because it's not really as hot as the ones that you see these days. And so yeah, after I finish that, I'm going to remove the hose band that I used to tie, and you can see my hair in the front is well laid and dry. So if you see some shining leftover gel, not glue, I'm sorry, not hot glue, my leftover got to be gel in the front, I just cleaned it with baby wipes. So now I just want to see what it looks like, and you can see how lovely and easy, nice. Just know that you can do this too. So I'm plucking on my part just a little bit. I just bring them out and I just pull it up. After that, I'm going to use my powder and I'm going to just define my part to look more realistic and to match my skin. And I'm really liking this wig. I actually enjoy my wig install like this, like a day or two after, because the hairline begins to look more realistic. But for this purpose of this video, I'm just showing you my install the first day. So I'm going to go ahead now and just do a little bit of finishing, you know, using the hot comb. And you can see, guys, what this hair looks like. This is a must-have wig and it's really nice and affordable, like I said. So just run over to the website and check this out and thank me later. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and bye.